And based on the advice from the officials of the Ministry of Health, the government of Trinidad and Tobago has taken the decision to fully reopen all schools at the ECCE, primary, secondary and tertiary levels from April 19, 2022.
Confirmation from Education Minister Dr. Nyan Gasdby-Dolly that students who were engaged in online learning will return to the physical classrooms for the first time in 2 years. Chief Education Officer Mrs. Lisa Henry David said COVID-19 management in schools will continue to be monitored by the staff of the Education District Health Unit. She said staff, students and those who visit the school must adhere to the following rules.
Mandatory wearing of masks, the exception being our early childhood care and education students. 2. Temperature check at entry points. 3. Hand washing at stations at schools' entrances, as well as at strategic points throughout the school's compound. And 4. The use of hand sanitizers.
Students will be required to attend school every day as no rotational schedules will be operated. Director of School Supervision, Mrs. Joy Griffith, said subject and class tabling will revert to normal pre-COVID hours for primary and secondary school students. She also confirmed that whole school assembly and breaks will be allowed and provided an update on the ministry's stance to school uniforms.
The Ministry of Education is cognizant of the economic challenges experienced by some parents. As such, schools are mandated to relax uniform requirements for students according to the principal's advice to parents.
Education officials also confirmed that the curriculum has been adapted to ensure the minimum outcomes for each learning level is covered. Students will also be offered group and individual sessions on transitioning from online to physical classes. As it relates to the readiness of schools, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Mr. Kurt Meyer, said repairs have been completed at approximately 198 schools, which include primary, secondary, and early childhood care and education centers. Kimberly De Souza, TDT News.